Hey, we made it to Wednesday. Woo, halfway through the week. I hope your week's going well. This week I pretty much stayed the course with exactly what we did last week. So you're reading Lent, you're doing a short presentation in your academic book study groups. This week it's on writing, which is based in chapter 3. Let me go to course content. Week 2 online. So I did do a video for you on writing in the content area. In the content areas, there's a video lecture of me going over the PowerPoint. That's the video that I did, but there's also a video on writing instruction for you to watch. I did put my PowerPoint here as well. This is the one I go over in the video, but if you wanted to see it, there might be some links in there as well. And then you're going to choose either chapter 4 or chapter 5 to discuss on the discussion board. So basically, in here I put chapter 4 or chapter 5. You do not have to do both. Do one or the other, unless you want to do both, but you're only going to get credit for one. But the thing I wanted to talk to you about today is the grammar fair, because we're still doing it. We're just doing it virtually. So I did put and the new assignment up here. It's Grammar Fair updated under assignment descriptions. So I'm going to bring that up. And I'm going to pull that up. So I didn't want to totally lose the grammar fair because grammar is important, but I want you to think about doing this, or we are going to think about doing this differently. So you're going to be creating an online grammar presentation. Use the same topic that you had already chosen. You just need to adapt this to online learning. So I still want you to think through the I do, we do, you do. But think about when you do the I do, that's your teaching part of it, and that's what I would like you to think about. How you're going to do that. You can video yourself. Actually, what I'm using is called Screencast-O-Matic. You could always do something like that. Video, or you could use, if you've made your trifold and you want to use it, you make a little YouTube video of you talking through the grammar fair. You can also create a PowerPoint or a Google slideshow of, kind of the mini lesson that you would be doing, or a wonderful technology resource that's super easy. Those of you who've taken EDU 110 with me for the last 2 semesters, we use that in that. It's Book Creator. Book Creator is you create a book, basically. So you could also create, and if I did give you the link here, if you need more, if you're like, yes, I am going to create a book on punctuation, and you're really excited about it and you need a little support, let me know. I am familiar with Book Creator. So those are 3 ways of doing the I do: making a video, making a PowerPoint, creating a book. Think through those, one of those 3 ways. If you have an idea that I didn't think of, please go with it. This is an opportunity for you guys to all develop your online teaching skills, which teachers are having to do a lot of right now. So that's your I do. Your we do is kind of how are the students going to practice this, and how can they practice this online? So I would say create a Kahoot for your students to review. I didn't put poll everywhere there, but I know my son did a poll everywhere yesterday with his friends on geography. So you could make a poll everywhere, or a Kahoot, a Quizlet. You could do a Jeopardy game. So what's something fun that they could actually do? They're not just listening to you, they're actually practicing it. And then finally is the you do. And this is going to be hard. So for the you do, I'm only encouraging you to just some type of exit slip, or just maybe a question or something that you can just type out or write out. You're not actually going to be able to do the you do online, but I want you to think through. I wanted to get the 1 point for the you do. I just want to see some type of thinking through what you would do for the you do, and just communicate that to me. So this is a 10-point assignment. You'll get 6 points. I just did a criteria, not a rubric here. 6 points that your your presentation is high quality, communicates the mini lesson, engaging and kid friendly. Your we do is some type of review for the students. That's 3 points. And then the you do is just you've thought about what would you do as a you do. So we're taking the grammar fair online. I actually, if you do a good job on this, I'm actually going to share it with some students who and teachers who are doing online learning. So let's make it good. So that is my announcement for this week. Oh, last thing, tomorrow I'm going to be sending out a Google form, just a quick survey to get your opinions. I need to know how this class is going for you. In terms of workload, communication, Zoom time, non-Zoom time, what you want, what's working for you. Because as next week, we're moving into a whole new, the next 3 weeks, we're going to be working on writing, and it would be helpful for me to have from you. All right, thanks.